Hi guys, I'm here inside the Starbucks to buy coffee, and here's the place of the Starbucks. I'm waiting to my order. The Starbucks. The place of the Starbucks is nice and clean, and no people here inside because the pandemic. I'm waiting my order because it's cold today. I need the coffee. Hey guys. Hi guys, we go now to my dad work and
Round trip, Kamo. Round trip.
long trip.
Round. Pwede ka na magtanggal ng mas. Sayang, oh. Dapat sa kanya na nga natin binigay yun.
Go. We drop my dad at work. He going to work. Yahoo! No people in the freeway.
Look at that. Motor on the back of the car. Oh, wow. Look at that.
one.
That's a big bike.
It's a big bike.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. A motorbike on the back of the truck. Oh, there's another one over there. Chapapa. Be careful, guys. Be
Yeah.
careful on the laughing at the front of video camera. Your postizo might fall off.
Yo.
You know, it's hard if it's postizo fell off. It's kind of look vampire.
Please focus in the freeway.
Look at that, a motorbike.
Ah.
Oh yeah, chapapa. Kasi dito para problem.
Yeah. Guys, starting make some car now in the freeway. Today is Sunday.
Why it's a lot of motorbike in the back of cars?
Because maybe go in the beach or what.
Rap road. They go into the rap road. You know what is the rap road? It's
What? Oh.
it's like a Guten. Guten German.
What is a German?
German is Aleman.
There we go. It's nice view here. Look. Later guys, I show some view. It's nice view. It's a long drive or long trip. Look the car. We're in the long trip. There we go.
Building.
The building.
Building is under construction.
Yeah.
And houses on the top of mountain. Look at that.
Look at that.
Wow. And we're heading under the bridge.
Yeah.
Ooh, wow. And it's a ramp going, turning around. Woohoo.
So
Look at
funny,
that.
guys.
Woohoo. It's a fun driving.
Yeah, it's a fun driving.
Oh, wow. Look at those.
Look at that.
Those are the
It's a
sound.
flyover joke.
There's no flyover here.
Yeah, I know.
It's all free. Oh, yeah, they have.
Yeah,
That's a
look
flyover.
at that.
This is a flyover.
Yeah.
We are English Carabao. Sorry, we're talking English Carabao. Carabao English.
There we go. Still driving.
Ang dumi yung salamin eh.
Yeah, that's okay.
Hindi nakukuha.
Yeah. Nakikita. Dash na siya.
Look at those. The car looks like flying up there. Woohoo! Chalap, chalap. Chapapa. We have David Busters.
Yeah, Devin Buster.
Shout out sa mga freeway dyan na nagda-drive this time.
Be careful to drive. No people in the freeway.
Yeah, 4,600 viewers over there. 46 viewers na naglalagas ng mukha.
We are joking around. Sorry, guys.
Be careful, guys. It's
is close to drop my dad to work.
Whoop! Trader Joe.
Kada.
It's a Trader Joe.
Careful.
Trader Joe's. Oh, look at that. It's a vintage car.
It's a vintage car.
A four tambucho. Apat tambucho. What is tambucho? Muffler.
Yeah. Be careful to work, Dad.
Yan, Sharp Grossmont.
Sharp
One of
Grossman
the
Hospital.
popular hospital here in United States of America.
My dad is working there.